very exhausting. I spent 2 hours doing this, but much faster and much better than taking a hammer and getting rid of the concrete from the tiles the usual way, the hard way. So this looks alright, ready to be put to my kitchen floor. To fetch some water this morning because I've got my drywall blocking the entrance to my bathroom, and of course I chose today to mix some concrete, for which I need some water. So I need to climb over the drywall, which by the way I'm gonna move upstairs in about 5 hours. I also got some pellets from a friend of mine also blocking the way, so today is climbing over stuff to get to stuff, and let alone going to the toilet, which is also behind the drywall. Well, since I can't find the insulation that I'm gonna put around my pipe in my yard, I'm not gonna do any concrete today, so I'm up in the attic and now I'm gonna put some screws into the iron bar that my smith brought me 2 days ago, and this I'm gonna use to support my beam and my roof structure. Good morning. Today I'm gonna do some work in my attic. It's not too hot up here and I really need to get going and continue what I started yesterday, putting back my bricks all along. That's a hell of a job. It will take me at least 3 if not 4 days, but I'm eager to get this done. good progress, more than I thought I would. I want to start early on this baby tomorrow. Not sure when, but before 9, that's for sure. So long, see you then, have a good night, bye 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 bye. Good morning, it's 9:30, I'm back here up in my attic and my knees hurt, my back hurts, I don't really feel like continuing, but I've got all of this behind me to fill with nice bricks. Time to go home. My hands are all swollen up as if I took a long bath. I'm also bleeding. And it's past 9 o'clock. Let's go home. See you tomorrow morning. Have a good night. Bye 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 bye. Good morning. Today I decided not to do any work in my attic because my fingers really hurt. By the way, my knees and my back also hurt. That's everything I did yesterday. And it's bleeding. That's the lime eating away something inside of me. I'm very exhausted. I spent at least 2 hours doing this. I'm kind of happy. It doesn't look too bad. It's more or less straight. And yeah, can't wait to finish the rest tomorrow. But for today, I'm done. I'm really tired. I think that's it for today. Well, good morning. My fingers are really messed up. It really hurts. 2 fingers on this hand, 3 on this, so apparently the lime is eating away my flesh. I just bought those fancy fuckers, and this is a bit overkill, but I really must prevent this hand and the other one, of course, from getting wet today. So 3 layers of protection. And then the magic powder and my magic stick. I spent at least 2.5 hours doing the finishing part, cleaning everything up. Now my knees really hurt and I'm gonna spend a couple of minutes in my garden cutting a tree. Finished with my attic, at least with a big part, which took me 4 days. I still have some work to do over here for another like 2 hours, but that's for tomorrow because today I'm done. Yeah, well, see you tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye bye.